Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best modern bar stools on Amazon. Modern bar stools' sleek and stylish seating solutions are designed to complement contemporary spaces while offering comfort and functionality for elevated dining or socializing. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Yinqiang Modern Bar Stools. The Yinqiang Modern Bar Stools are a great choice for creating a modern, professional look in any space. The 24-inch height from the seat top to the floor and weight capacity of up to 330 pounds make these stools well suited to provide comfortable seating for nearly any occasion. These modern bar stools offer an industrial farmhouse style with a nice blend of modern and vintage features. Their wood-metal design makes them suitable for use in the kitchen, dining room, restaurant, coffee house, or any other desirable space. The sturdy metal frame and X-brace under the seat ensure maximum stability and durability, while the non-marking feet caps will keep your floors protected from scratches. What we like about it: non-marking feet protect floors. Easy and quick to assemble. Comes in 5 color options. What we don't like about it: scratch up easily. Number 2. Arman Living Modern Bar Stool. The Arman Living Modern Bar Stool is the perfect combination of both comfort and style. Featuring a curved foam padded seat and low back, this bar stool provides ultimate comfort whilst also offering a stylish and modern design. The plush seat also offers a 360-degree swivel function, which is great for moving around your seating area. This bar stool comes with a square metal footrest, which adds a stylish aesthetic touch without sacrificing practicality or functionality. The product also comes with a standard 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. What makes this bar stool unique is the fact that it comes in both counter height and bar height options available. What we like about it: heavy-duty metal chrome footrest loop. Thick faux leather seat material. Can hold up to 300 pounds. What we don't like about it: paint on legs may chip. Number 3. Best Office Modern Bar Stools. If you're looking for exceptional versatility and convenience in one product, you can never go wrong with the Best Office Modern Bar Stools. These bar stools can accommodate various body sizes with their adjustable height range, allowing you to easily customize your seating position. The ergonomic design provides comfort and support, while the metal frame ensures durability and long-term use. The polyurethane leather finish adds a touch of style to the piece. The circular chrome steel base offers anti-skid protection and rubber rings that protect your floors from scratching or making harsh movements. In addition, installation is a breeze, with only 4 parts and 4 screws required for assembly. These bar stools are great for many occasions, making them perfect for snuggling up to a kitchen island or clustering around a home bar. Each of these stools can handle up to 250 pounds. What we like about it: a cinch to put together. Easy to clean upholstery. Sturdy, comfortable footrest. What we don't like about it: the base quality isn't great. Number 4. Yaunic Modern Bar Stools. The Yaunic Modern Bar Stools come in a set of 2 and make a stylish addition to any kitchen or bar area. These contemporary counter-height bar stools have a unique design, which features a stylish ergonomic cushion for extraordinary comfort and convenience. The cushion fits securely into the hip structure for maximum support, making it an ideal choice for extended use. Their durability is also impressive, as they're made with a metal frame and designed to last. These bar stools also come with convenient adjustable features, so you can easily adjust their seat height from 24 to 33 inches with the gas lift handle, allowing them to meet different user heights. What we like about it: swivels 360 degrees for easy maneuvering. Adjustable features for comfortable seating. Modern French bistro style. What we don't like about it: not ideal for households with kids. Number 5. Yahidic Modern Bar Stools. Whether you're looking for additional seating in your home or replacing an existing bar stool set, the Yahidic Modern Bar Stools make a great choice. Crafted with glossy iron legs and well-made synthetic leather seats, these stools are known for their timeless design. The surface of these bar stools has been specially treated with a water and scratch-proof coating that makes it easy to maintain and keeps them looking as good as new. What we like about it: easy to assemble with clear instructions. High-quality material at a low cost. What we don't like about it: the footrests feel flimsy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.